Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use fixed width in text to column Excel. So let's start this my Excel, and here you can see I have data. In one column have a date, product name and amount. Simply select the entire column and go to the data tab. In data tools group, click on the text to column option, and here the one dialog box is open, convert text to column wizard. Okay, choose the right type that best describe your data. Select here the fixed width option. Okay, after that click on the, and here you can see to create a break line, click at the desired positions. Okay, to delete the break line, double click on the line and move the break line, click and drag it. So to create the break line, I just click on here and you can see the break line is added. Okay. To delete it, simply double click on the line and it's deleted. To create again line, just click on it and you can see the break line is created. Same as I click on here. So you can see the data is split in different column. Okay, then click on next and you can see the preview of data. After that, select here the destination where you want the data. I just click on this arrow and select here the cell and click on again arrow and click on, and that's it. You can see your data is split in different column and you can see only one column have data. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.